Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Belvita baked bar, dark chocolate and hazelnut snack bar. So this is a snack bar made by Mondelez Corporation. On the back there's information if you want to see, and it says it's natural source of fiber. That's very good. It will make your stomach work like a wonder. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Comes off very easily. Here's the snack bars. Ooh, very nicely packaged. I like this design. And 4 in total. Let's put this over here. Okay, so this is the snack bar. Very nice. 5 whole grains. And it's 40 grams for one. Let's go ahead and taste one up. Ooh, look at that. Okay, it's dropping a little bit of bites to the ground. That's not good. It's not very well packaged. It's not tight. But smell? Really sweet smell. Like almost like some kind of brownie, like a candy. Seems like there's some nuts on the top as well. Let's go ahead and take a bite. Very soft. I was expecting crunchy, but it's very soft. Yeah, it's baked bar. I guess that means it's soft. Very chocolatey. I like it. The flavor is really good. You can taste the chocolate in combination with hazelnuts, and it creates this very pleasant flavor in your mouth. Nice. Let's see the statistics here. 5.7 protein per 100. So not so much protein, but the fiber, 7.4 fiber per 100. Like, that's amazing. Look at that. Look at it. You eat this, it will make your stomach work like wonders. Yeah. And it tastes just like a snack bar, like a Snickers or Mars. This one is equally good. It's actually even better because it's not too sweet. I really like this. Minus points for not packaging it well. Like, there's so many crumbs in my floor right now. So that's one minus point. They should have put more effort into putting it together without the pieces falling off. But overall, very good snack bar. I will take this to work, or if I go to have hobby. I think this is a perfect snack for a hobby. Before or after, gives you energy. Also, I wish it had more protein. Maybe they should have put a little bit more of the hazelnuts to it, so it should have more protein. But the fiber is good. Thank you, Mondelez, for the snack bar. This one is definitely getting 8.5 out of 10. One more thing that I would have liked more is it to be more crunchy. I like crunchy snack bars more than the soft ones. It just feels better. Crunchy is always better. But yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Belvita baked bar with dark chocolate and hazelnuts. Subscribe and comment if you have tasted this before. Thank you for watching.